Here's how you fix every marriage. You do 4 things. Number 1, you have more fun together as opposed to rehearsing grievance. More fun, less grievance. Second is pray together. If you get married, the goal is to fuse your right hemispheres. The best way to do that is by meditating together, is by praying together, is by doing right hemisphere activity together. The third protocol is to make eye contact whenever you talk. Never be talking without making eye contact. Way more important for your wife than it is for you. Way more important, because she gets 3 times as much oxytocin, which means she's better at bonding, but it also means that she's better at starving when she's not getting enough oxytocin. And last but not least is, remember, ABT, always be touching, always be touching, always be touching. More important for men than for women, as a matter of fact. That's why when you're with your beloved and she hooks her arm into your arm while you're walking down the street, you're like, I'm big and strong. Why?
Better than fixing a broken marriage is to never break it in the first place. If you keep daily checking your partner, it makes everything easier. If you look into their eyes, it's romantic. You see their soul. You know, when you are on the first date and you look into that person's eyes and there is this whole ocean of possibilities of that person might being the one for you or not. And then when you're actually together with that person and you look into their eyes, you actually notice that future that I imagine, it's right here. I'm living it. And keeping eye contact is extremely important. For women, we need eye contact. You have no idea. You might think that I can be doing something, but I'm paying attention and I can repeat everything you just said. It's not the same thing, keeping eye contact. And women, I bet you, okay? Go ask your wife. Women know when you are not looking into their eyes. Even though you're looking into their eyes, you're not really looking. You're not there. When you start vaguing into your mind, we know. We know. And for men, touch is important. You think that for women, they like to be touched, they like to, to be petted, to have the hands on their hair. But no, we don't like it all the time. Most of us, no, don't do it all the time. It's a bit irritating because we know where this might lead and we are not willing to go there today, But for men, it's important. Men, they do like it. And it's not only that they want it because they want something more, but they feel appreciated. We also do, but there are boundaries. Maybe your partner likes more than other. Keep communicating. If that person can make you laugh or knows what makes you laugh and create an environment for it, you feel relaxed, you feel confident, and you don't feel shy. You feel like that's the place where you can be vulnerable, because being vulnerable is the master of every relationship. Every relationship, you need to be able to feel good, to feel okay, to be vulnerable.